If notifications are not working on your Windows 11 computer, there are a few simple solutions we can try. First, right-click on the Start button and select Settings. Once the Settings window opens, navigate to the System tab from the list on the left-hand side. On the right pane, you will find the Notifications section. Make sure the main notification switch is toggled on. If this switch is off, all notifications will be disabled. Additionally, check the Do Not Disturb setting. If Do Not Disturb is enabled, it will silence all notifications. Ensure this is turned off for notifications to function correctly. Another area to examine is focus within the system settings. If a focus session is active, notifications will be suppressed. You need to make sure that the focus session is paused or stopped for notifications to resume. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most common notification problems on Windows 11. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.